Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Screamer game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still occurs, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the issue, I can come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the problem now. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly backs the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to update system BIOS. For that, you have to check your motherboard model first, then visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally, restart your system and test the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. After it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. After you get the message setup successful, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next is to close background apps. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Under Processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click on End Task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, you have to go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Go below, click on Manage Settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After doing this, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you have to select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. But later on, come back and select Turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on Add a Desktop App. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Screamer game. For that, go to Steam. Under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage, now click on Uninstall, and finally click on Uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Screamer game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Screamer game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.